welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Of all things home decor, I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you never miss any upcoming uploads. Talking about timeless and elegant home decor pieces. Now, if you guys do not know and it is your first time here, as you can tell by my living space, I love decorating in black and white. I think it is timeless, it is elegant, it will never go out of style. And let me show you how I have decorated a few areas in my home with some timeless and elegant pieces that I feel will stand the test of time and will never go out of style. Today's video is part of the Timeless and Elegance Decor collaboration that is being hosted by Really Good Living, who is Lady Phoenix, myself, Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, PETALISBLISS from PETALISBLISS, and Bree from Bree's Project Book. And today we are going to be showing you 3 to 5 decor items that we have in our homes that we think are timeless and elegant. We hope you enjoy, and I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. Velvet is another material that I think is very timeless and elegant. You cannot go wrong. Sorry for the shadow. It's that time of day. Another thing that I think is very classic and elegant are white tulips. I use them a lot and I use them to decorate my space. Very timeless, elegant, and classic, and you cannot go wrong with those. And glass. I love decorating with glass, whether it be mirror or clear glass. As you can see here, I am decorating the table between my 2 chairs with some simple elements. I have an acrylic glass tic-tac-toe holder. Again, it is something that I think is timeless and elegant. Anything that's lucite or clear or glass, I think is timeless and elegant and will withstand the test of time. I showed you guys this lamp before. I had it downstairs on my entryway table when I was using it to decorate my Restoration Hardware inspired look for less, but I have since brought it upstairs to my loft area and I absolutely love the way it looks in the space. Again, very timeless and classic. The little scent warmer in the back, it is a ceramic metal in silver. Again, very glam, timeless and elegant to me. So these are the things that I think are timeless and elegant, and black and white is always a staple that you can always use to elevate the look in your home. Orchids are another item that I consider to be timeless and elegant. I absolutely love them and I use them a lot everywhere in my home. I'm so sorry guys, the lighting is awful today. But they are timeless and elegant. I love the way they look. You can use them anywhere in your home and it will instantly elevate the look for a lot less. I actually picked up this one from, I want to say it was Ross, again, several years ago. And I always use it in this area and other areas of my home. And it just gives me that high-end look for less. Another item that I think is very timeless, classic, and elegant is anything white. So here I'm showing you the bookcase in my loft, and you'll see I have a lot of white decor, but as I said, I do not think you can go wrong. White will always be a classic color that you can design and use in your home very elegantly. Like I picked up this mask from Home Goods, oh gosh, many years ago, but I think it is timeless and classic and it works well here in the bookcase. along with the ceramic books that I picked up from Z Gallery. Again, I've had these for at least 5 years, and I do not think they will go out of style. They will always remain a classic piece. Again, seashell, also in white, never goes out of style. So white is a classic element that you can always use anytime in any area of your home. Another item that I think is timeless and classic are anything that are crystal or glass. I love the lamp that I picked up here. Again, I picked these up several years ago, and it is very timeless and classic to me. I love the smoked glass and the gray lampshade. It goes really well, and I think will stand the test of time. I picked up this crystal vase from Home Goods. Again, it's on clearance, classic, will never go out of style. So that is something also too I think will stand the test of time. As well as, you'll see I have a glass candle holder here. Absolutely love them. They are timeless and classic. So I hope this video has given you some tips on what I consider to be timeless and elegant pieces that you can use to decorate your home. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.